Gigi, come here. Sit. Gigi, do you like uni? Oh, I think she said yeah. Oh man, I gotta go. Hey, I'm gonna go wash my hands because I touched my dog, so y'all don't talk trash. I'll be right back.
We making them cherry sliders. We making them wood fires.
Fam, you already know what we do. We're making some cherry sliders today. Homemade bread, summer salad, you know what I'm saying, from the garden, potatoes. Remember to check the description for the links for the recipe. So we're gonna start it off super smooth. Ooni Karu 16 is a savage, is an animal. Heated the oven to 400 and then cleaned all the wood and ashes out. Got the uni gloves on. We about to get it out the oven. Yeah, it is hot. Woo! Look at that. Bottom's on point, top's on point, squish, squish, squish. This is a slider dream, man. It's summer. We gotta get the heat really high. We're going to get our two, we're getting our uni pans, the grizzler, the sizzler. I'm gonna do the sliders on this one. I'm gonna do the potatoes on this one, and I'm gonna roast the corn for our summer salad. So let's get to it. I'm gonna get the heat high. That's the wood we like. We like the little thin wood. Ooh, it's hot. Gigi, which peel should I use? This one? She doesn't like, you don't like that? You don't like this? No, Gigi, it's okay, babe, come here. This one? So we're gonna get it super hot. Like we're making a pizza. But we ain't making pizza, we making sliders, you know what I'm saying? I'll put my pans in there too. Now, I love the handle that they be giving me. I'm gonna let it preheat with the oven. Boom, handle stays cold. Gigi, leave it. We're gonna prepare the slider meat, cherries. Why are we adding cherries to sliders? This is gonna keep your burger juicy without having to eat that much meat. All right, so look, we got some 85-15 ground beef, organic. All right, a bunch of garlic. Just a bunch of garlic, man. Just put a bunch of garlic in there. We got a nice seasoned salt, some cayenne pepper, garlic powder. You already know what it is. I'm from New Orleans, man. I ain't skimping on that, so boom. So now with the cherries, you make sure that you get that juice out of them. Look, I see chunks of garlic, I see cherries. That's what I wanna see. Yo, the oven is ripping hot. I'm gonna put some corn in the oven, then we're gonna make our sliders, all right? I like the thick sliders too, man. I want some meat in my bite. Just like that. All right, maybe a little more. There we go. Boom. Super still over there. Ooni and Gigi. I mean, Ooni and Gigi. I call Odie Ooni. Should we rename Odie Ooni?
No.
Shoot, we getting the corn out? Yeah. We're gonna add some of that burnt corn husk to our cilantro mayonnaise that we're using on these sliders. So don't disrespect the burnt corn husk, all right? That's super hot, man. These sliders about to cook nice. We're gonna do it right now. I'm gonna put the corn right here. Let's get some of these sliders onto the grizzler. That's so hot. If I touch that, oh shoot. Babe, I just branded uni onto your cutting board. My bad. We're gonna get our sliders on here. Listen to the sizzle, come hear this. I literally can already smell like a fully cooked slider right now. That's how hot that was. Ooh. I ain't get burnt. All right, let's do the potatoes. Let's cut some Idaho potatoes, a little olive oil. And then we got a nice mixture of salt and herbs. Look at the potatoes in. Should we brand the board again?
No.
Sliders cooking, we're about to put some cheese on the sliders, but the potatoes are done. I'm gonna pull them out quick. Potatoes is looking excellent, crispy, crunchy, salty, you already know. So we're putting them down here. So the sliders are done. I'm gonna pull them down here. Look at all the juice, man. Look at the juicy cherries. We're gonna finish it off with some cheese. This is the white cheddar. This is dill Havarti. Boom. All right, go back in the oven. Oof. All right, the heat died down.
We making that slider bomb from scratch. You ain't had to do them like that. Artisan Brian and Uni, we back. Rooms on the beach, you know it's gon' slap. Corn and potato with some tomato. I ladle the sauce from the front to the back. I'm a baker that's black, yeah. Latino in that.
Before we assemble the sliders, I'm about to go to the garden and get some cherry tomatoes real quick. I'm gonna do something super cool. I'm gonna grab these. We about to get that confit action going. So we can put them right where the meat was, into the oven and blast them. And we're gonna let that cook. Yes, look at that, that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna make our sliders right now, all right? I got the bun, our burnt corn husk sauce. Got the slider right there. We're gonna add some pickles. I'm We're gonna add a little bit of our confit, put a little more of that sauce. Look at that. You understand? Y'all do y'all thing. I'm about to have me a little moment. I'll let your boy. I'm gonna harvest all my cherry tomatoes and roast them just so I can eat these. The herbs is on point. Crisp, crunch. Y'all about to leave me alone. Odie, buddy, you like Ooni Karu 16? You already know what it is. Odie's black too. Me and Odie black.